This one for my Somali niggas worldwide. The illest Mali nigga worldwide. Young Jax Teller.
Mali niggas, we so live. Mali niggas from the 6 side. R.I.P. free all my guys. All my guys, they down to ride. Mali niggas, we so live. Mali niggas from the 6 side. R.I.P. free all my guys. All my guys, they down to ride. Niggas got the code, yeah. All my niggas on the road, yeah. Sending prayers to my lawyer, sending prayers to my whore, yeah. All my niggas never told, yeah. Turning tables never fall, yeah. All my niggas came to eat. Fuck a check up, then we leave. Yeah. Running the numbers up. You ain't heard about me, you better get with it, my nigga. I'm running the numbers up. Cause I've been that nigga since I was the kid in the fitted. Left me on my loan, now she ringing on my phone. Save me all your bullshit and just leave it at the tone, yeah. Pound for pound for the hounds. If you peep, I always gotta keep a stash round. All this melanin up in my skin, man, it got me looking like a hash brown. How you kill another brother for a block of white man let you own, huh? Nearly 40, drinking 40s, fucking show these niggas need to act grown up. Mali niggas, we so live. Mali niggas from the 6 side. R.I.P. free all my guys. All my guys, they down to ride. Mali niggas, we so live. Mali niggas from the 6 side. R.I.P. free all my guys. All my guys, they down to ride.
Mali niggas, we so alive. Mali niggas, we on the rise. London to the 6 side, Minneapolis, I see you guys. Whipping that work, I was serving these buckies. Flipping that work, I was raised by my upties. Free the guys, fuck the pigs. Tell no lies, say the kids. Inshallah, I'm just trying to buy my Hoyo a crib. Yeah, Mali niggas, we got this. Mali's got the Midas. Stuffy nose flow. OVO should sign us. She said bring the Henny, but baby I don't sip. I got a pack of loud. Is you trying to take a hit? Yeah, some of my brothers got caught with some yayo. Some of my brothers they trap in the jail. Do this for them and I do this for Alvin. Hoyo a la la, whoa, I yeah, like
Mali niggas, we so live. Mali niggas from the 6 side. R.I.P. free all my guys. All my guys, they down to ride. Mali niggas, we so live. Mali niggas from the 6 side. R.I.P. free all my guys. All my guys, they down to ride.
CMS, Dawn Truth for life from the dot. Mr. 280, put the whole city on a lock. Hope you're looking out, the roster about to swish. Yeah, I'ma take your spot and make my niggas rich. All eyes on me like Tupac's and the Hawks on you like Kyle Clover. My niggas be on that bullshit. I call my young niggas Kyle Clover. 21 racks blued on a Range Rover. I look in the mirror and I see a soldier. Niggas sneaking me like a cobra. Crib so big you explore like Dora. Name a nigga that can do it like me. Pop tags, rock jewelry. Throwback Jason Chewy jeans. The Dawn Truth, you don't wanna fight. Money taller than the average height. Told Pierce I'm about to get it right. TMS, Dawn Truth, I've been grinding my whole life and you know it.